Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be checking out this 2-pack of 4-head motion sensor solar lights by Omnibee. Opening it up, right on top we've got the manual, then the safety information, the wall mounts, the mounting hardware, and the two lights. And finally, a remote. Here is a detailed look at everything you get. First, the warning and safety information. But I'm a pretty safe girl, so I'm not going to be reading that. Next up is the manual. It features the specs, explain the three lighting modes, and shows you how to install them. Here are the included screws and wall plugs. We get about 8 in total. Now let's look at the wall mounted brackets. There's an arrow showing you which side goes up, so the installation is completely foolproof. Here's the remote control. It's pretty basic, but remember to remove this plastic tab to activate the batteries so it actually works. Let's give it a quick test. Turn it on, and yep, it works. Wow. I actually almost blinded myself there. I didn't expect it to be that bright. Anyway, here's a closer look at the light itself. It feels surprisingly solid, and the solar panel on top is rated to fully charge the light in just about 2 hours. As you can see, the heads are highly adjustable. When you install this, you can cover the massive area just by tweaking the positions of the light heads. Alright, now here's how to install it. Simply screw down the mount. Make sure it's right side up with the arrows pointing up. I'm just using drywall screws for this demo since I'm mounting it to wood. Just 2 screws in and you're good to go. Now all you have to do is slide the light onto the mount like this, and that's it. To operate the light, you can press this button on the back to turn it on and cycle through all 3 lighting modes. Or you can use the remote to do the exact same thing. Plus, adjust the brightness up and down. Let's take this into total darkness because the motion sensor and most of these modes won't trigger with all the studio lights I've got running. Here's the first mode. It automatically stays off during the day and will only turn on for 20 seconds when it senses movement. This is definitely the mode most people will use, and it's the one I'm sticking with. In the second mode, the light stays dim at night but triggers to full brightness the second it detects motion. Then we have the third and final mode, where the light just stays on all night without any motion detection. I definitely prefer that first mode because when it hits max brightness, it looks incredible. Plus, I always feel like motion activated lights are great for scaring off potential intruders. Overall, I'm really impressed with this 2-pack. They're compact, easy to install, and super bright, and also very affordable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.